Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you.
Hello guys, welcome back again to Travel Vloggers for the Empire channel. As you've known, Germany is on lockdown again. In lockdown since December 16. Since December 16 was on lockdown already, and since there's nowhere we could go and got nothing to do, so we decided to renovate. Not really renovate, just we decided to put a wallpaper to our bathroom, and this is Ben's first time to do it, so I don't know what actually he's doing. I don't also know if he's if he's doing it right, but this is a challenge, and I guess he can do it. I believe he can do that. So I am just trying to help him as much as I can, but I'm not really sure if what we are doing here. Don't look at me, you're wondering if why my face is like this. Those who didn't watch yet or didn't see my vlog about my CLEARBOMB experience or journey. So this is the reason, guys, why my face is like this. It's still peeling because I'm still on this 1 month challenge. So yes guys, we actually bought this wallpaper in Amazon, and the reason why we choose this, it's because my little girl, or Lexi, she really loves fishes, and we always go to the SeaWorld or some places with aquariums and fish because she really likes it. And since it's lockdown here in Germany, there's nowhere we could go to, or like for the SeaWorld, and also she wanted to have an aquarium, but we all know that having an aquarium requires a lot of work as well. So we just decided to put a wallpaper with her fishes or with aquatics, so she will feel like she's near to the sea or like having a big aquarium at home. So that is only the reason, guys, why we choose this. And also we are actually living in the southest part of Germany, or in the Bayern or Bavaria, and we actually don't have here seawater or beaches. That's why it is a little bit sad, because me, Lexi, also Sven, we do love the seawater, lying in the sand, and yeah, it is sad. That's why we just decided to make our bathroom a aquatic theme. So yes, like I said, we actually bought this in Amazon for like more or less 100 euro, and it is 3 meters long and 4 meters wide, and it wasn't actually enough. The size is not actually enough for our bathroom in this corner, so we just cut it from there, and then we decided to just purchase another wallpaper for the left side. Actually, guys, it is almost a year since we moved here in our home, and I guess we moved here end of March last year. And yeah, there are still a lot of work that needs to be done here, and we were already thinking of maybe next time we will be going to paint the wall here in our bathroom, because as we've noticed, it's only still white, and we decided that we will just do it together, like what we did also before on Lexi's bedroom.
A few inches later.
We're almost done, kaso may bumigay na isa.
Hey!
Mukha nito isa. Bumigay yung isa, kaya kailangan namin ulitin.
Came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. Show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
Now he is receiving this. This is what we used to cover. Lexi will be really happy when she come here and do bathing again. This is her. This is Lexi place. She got her aquarium. And that's like. But I still need to do that. It fall down. I guess not enough glue. So it actually took us like 3 to 4 hours to finish this, putting this wallpaper, and as you noticed, it is only on the other half right side because this wallpaper doesn't fit for the whole corner. That's why we just leave it like that as of now, because the other wallpaper that we ordered is not delivered yet. So maybe we will be doing it on our next vlog. And yeah, as you've noticed, my little girl really enjoyed her new aquarium. So that's it, guys, and I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to give us a like, leave us a comment, and please do subscribe to our channel. See ya!